beginning lapha e-Central Bank namuhla kulesihlanu sokuba nakuthiwa i-post budget seminar nakhona kune-Central Bank ngathi was the Minister of Finance Bank bake bambude laba be-civil society inhlangano nama-stakeholders ukuthi ingabe le budget yakhe minister iqukethe njalo kuphela neparlamente iyaqhubeka nokubuda yena minister ukuthi ingabe vele baba le budget yakhe ayi-implementa kanjani nalapha-ke bekumele bekhona ipaneli ngoba bemuzisiyana lochaze kakhulu bekumele kwekuthi gesi lakangwane nabe sithi energy independence sesingahle simthole ngabo-June 2028 noma singathi nje nabo batasifaka sandla ekutheni kube ne-energy independence sibe negesi lomningi lakangwane lofaka ekhathi 40 megawatts kunye nabo public debt ukuthi engathi ukuthi sesikolekte kakhulu kepha sitawuchaza kusasa ephephandabeni le-Times of Eswatini wekuthi kusho ukuthini i-debt nangabe kuthiwa this is a good debt noma this is a bad debt baqhazile ngoba besakhele elukhele lobekatha nge-MD Eswatini Bank kanti bekakhona lapho kukhethiwe Mhlanga naye bekakhona nema-economist aqhamuka e-University of Eswatini naye ayi-atiya le-budget yakhe minister naye akhona minister aphendula bese kuba nebantu bekumele labasenda lawo ma-comments nalawo ma-questions bambude naye minister ukuthi minister isho ukuthini i-budget yakho ukuthi ayi-implementa kanjani nachaze khona-ke ukuthi le budget utayenda ukuthi ibe yi-budget le-creator imisebenzi icedze futhi nebusweni lesingathi kubuya ngilapha e-Central Bank ezulwini ngingumfana khona kaBule hamba nakhaya kwakaSimelane.